Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the surface and taking the first actionable step. Clean the area with an alcohol wipe and let it dry so the adhesive sticks reliably. Next, peel only about 1/3 of the backing to expose a small strip of adhesive. This prevents premature sticking and gives you control. Align the exposed edge to a guide mark or ruler, making sure the top edge is straight. Once aligned, press the exposed strip firmly to anchor the stick. Once anchored, continue by slowly peeling the backing while you smooth the sticker down with a squeegee or a stiff card. You should hold the sticker at a consistent angle so it lays flat as the adhesive meets the surface. This method reduces wrinkles and gives you control over placement. As you work, push from the center outward in steady strokes to drive out air and prevent bubbles. If you need to adjust, lift a small edge and realign rather than pulling the whole sticker off. To finish, press all edges firmly and trim any overhang with a sharp blade for a clean look. Once done, inspect for small trapped bubbles. If you find one, use a fine pin to make a tiny vent hole and press the air out, then smooth the area with your card. If corners lift, make sure the surface is warm and press again, or heat gently with a hairdryer to activate the adhesive. This typically secures edges without damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.